Hey guys, hi, how are you? Okay guys, today I'm going to do a review on a matte foundation and I will do a full face using only matte products. I'm giving you a matte fluid foundation review so that if you want to buy, you can buy it looking at this video, and this video will really help you to decide if you want to buy or you doesn't want to buy this foundation. Okay guys, now let's get started with the video, and I will give you a demo also applying it on my skin so that you will know it better. Okay guys, let's get started. Skin, before doing any makeup, you have to every time prepare your skin for the makeup. So I'm using this MAC Prep Plus Prime. I have given a review on this. You can go and check it out. I will leave the link below so that you can go and check it out. Okay guys, so first I'll prep my face for doing the makeup. So prepping your skin before any makeup is very important. So you have to first keep the spray 8 to 10 inch away, and after that you have to spray it. So I will just do that. This spray is really very refreshing and will really help you prep your skin. After applying this, you will really feel very fresh on your skin, and it will really help you to glide on your foundation very smoothly. So you can see I'm just dabbing it into my skin. After that, what we will use is the foundation. So I'm going to review this foundation and you will get to know my thoughts about this foundation. So I'm using this NC20 Studio Fix Fluid Foundation from MAC. So it's a very nice foundation. I will just show you what are my thoughts on this foundation, and if you want to buy, you can just go and check it out on any stores, or you can buy it online also. So I will just show you. This is the shade I am using right now. This is NC foundation, and the first time when I used this MAC foundation, I really felt very good applying this foundation because my skin's very flawless applying this foundation. The first time I'm telling you when I use this foundation, and it really does not feel that you have applied any foundation, but then to it your skin look very flawless and very like a photogenic face use like that. So I will just show you now. So I'm just it doesn't have any pump. You can see this is the drawback of this foundation. It doesn't have any pump with this. So with this foundation, there is no pump available with it. So if you are like me, like if you need a pump, so you need to buy it separately. So I don't like that. That's a drawback of this foundation. But the foundation is really good. So you have to take on the back of your hand, like I'm taking this much foundation. Whenever you are using MAC, you don't need to use a concealer because MAC itself, the foundation of MAC itself gives you full coverage, and you don't need to use any concealer for that. So I am taking this foundation on the back of my hand, and you see you have saw that I have prepped my skin using the MAC Fix. So now I'll just use a foundation. So whenever you are using your foundation, you have to just dab it onto your skin, and this will give you real full coverage. I will show you how my skin look after applying this foundation. You can see. You yourself will see the change whenever you are using this foundation. You have to just dab whenever you are using any foundation. I have not used any concealer. You can see guys. I will do the half face so that you get to know how it looks and what is the coverage it is giving you. The consistency of this foundation is not really very thick. You can see it's liquidy. So it's not very thick, but the coverage is really very good, and your skin will not look very cakey whenever you are applying this foundation. So I have applied it on my half face. I am showing you so that you will get to know. This is a little bit drying, and if your skin is dry, then you have to moisturize it properly whenever you are applying this foundation. So dab it properly around your eyes. You can see I have just applied on my half face, and your face will really look very nice, and it will not look that you have done too much on your skin. You can see I have just applied on my half face, and the half face is left so that you can see the coverage. According to that, you can buy if you want. So now I'll do my full face using this. I'm taking little more. So I'll apply it on my other side of the face. You can see the consistency is runny. It's not very thick, but the coverage is really nice, and it will give you very flawless finish because some people does not like a very cakey finish. They like it will give you very nice coverage. You can see whenever you apply buying any foundation, please check out with your shade. If you will take very lighter shade, then it will turn gray after some time. I have done a video on that also. Please go and check it out so that you get to know how to buy your shades. Just blend it properly. So the review of this foundation, what I want to give and my thoughts about this foundation is, you can see I have just given you a live demo also applying it on my skin. So this foundation is really a full coverage foundation. It will really give you very nice effect on your skin, and your skin will look very photogenic and it will look flawless whenever you apply this foundation. You don't need to apply any concealer whenever you are applying this foundation. MAC foundations are available online also, and you can go and buy at their stores also. For 2,990, the price range is expensive, but it is worth trying it. You will not regret after buying this foundation. It is a very good foundation, and people, it really suits combination skin type. People who have combination skin type really suits your skin type. And that's why I thought I will just give a review on this, so that it will really help you if you need to buy this foundation. Okay guys, so whenever you are applying this foundation, you have to moisturize your skin properly, so that it doesn't look dry or cakey. Whenever you are applying any foundation, you have to really moisturize your skin. And the foundation, if you think the foundation in first go is not giving you full coverage, this is a buildable foundation. You can build it, and it's not very thick foundation. So the review about, I really think it's a very good foundation. You can see in every makeup artist vanity this foundation. So I thought that I will give you a review, so that if you want to buy, you can also give it a try. And from my side, you can give it a try. I really like this foundation, and it's worth buying the price. Okay guys, so after that I've given you the foundation review, and I have used only MAC. I'm using only MAC products today. So I'm using this Studio Fix from MAC. This is also a very nice product from MAC. You should give it a try. If you don't want to use a foundation, and if you only want like if you're going for shopping or something, and if you want only to cover your uneven skin tone, so this is very good. You should give it a try. And if you want me to do a review on this, please let me know in the comment section below. I will do that for you. So I'm using this on my whole face. I'll just dab it and just lock the look, the foundation which we have applied. So I'm just using this. You can see this alone can give you coverage. If you don't want too much coverage, and if your skin is flawless, you can give it a try on this. Fix. I'm using a lip balm from MAC. You can see it's a very nice lip balm. You can also give it a try. I'm using this lip balm. The shade is Petting Pink Tinted Lip Conditioner with SPF. So I'm using this lip balm. Before applying any lipstick, you need to apply a lip balm. So I've just applied a lip balm on my skin. After that, I'll use a blush on my skin. So this is a Wonder Woman. This was a limited edition blush. So this is a blush. So I'll use a blush on my skin. You can see I'm just dabbing it. Just dust off the excess, and after that use a blush. So I'm using this. MAC's products are really very good. Though they are expensive, but they are worth trying. You can just give it a try. You can see. And they are buildable products. If you want more, you can take more. So I'll just take little more. So guys, you can see we have just applied the blush from the MAC. I have just shown you which blush I have used. So after using the blush, we will use a highlighter from MAC. It's a very awesome highlighter. You should give it a try. It's a Special Reserve highlighter powder. It's from MAC. So I'm just applying this. If you have a fan brush or something for highlighter, you can take it. I've just taken it on my brush, and now I'll apply on the high points of my face. You can see I've used over here. You can use it on your nose also. It will give you really very nice effect. You can see. So after we are done with the highlighter, you can see my nose is literally shining. It's a very nice highlighter. After we are done with the highlighter, I am going to use the lipstick of MAC. So I am using this Ruby Woo from MAC. It's a nice shade, and every girl should have this shade in their vanity. You can see. So I'll apply this. Before this, we have applied moisturize our lips properly. So I'm applying this. You can see we have applied this lipstick. It's a very nice lipstick and Nykaa is on sale right now. So you can just buy this lipsticks. Full size and small size also are available. So you can just go and check it out this. Okay guys, so you can see we have done a full face using the MAC products. And I have given you the review of MAC foundation also. So now we will finish our makeup using this spray. We have used this spray only to prep our skin, and now I am finishing my makeup with this spray. So you have to keep it like that. And you have to just spray it. And just let it seep into your skin properly and keep it for 2 minutes, and you will really feel very fresh and your skin will really feel very flawless. Okay guys, so you can see our full face is ready using only MAC products, and I really recommend you to buy this products. And the MAC foundation review also I have given. You can just give it a try. It's a very buildable foundation and it will give you coverage. And these are my thoughts on the foundation. Okay guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Please hit that notification bell and please share and like my video. Give it a thumbs up guys. Okay guys, bye. Take care. Stay healthy.